Hi guys! Our topic for today is about penetrating oil. A lot of penetrating oil out there in the market, but it's not really very good as this brand here. See this? This is WD-40. So, yung iba baka hindi nyo alam ang the obvious meaning sa WD-40, like abbreviation dito, WD-40. So, WD-40, W stands for water displacement, D is displacement. So, water displacement, WD-40. Yung 40, ito yung experiment number of experiment at number 40 times nila na perfect ang chemicals na nasa loob nito, yung WD-40. So, ang scientist nag-attempt sila ng 40 times experiment regarding solution, chemicals, or whatever you may call. So, it attempt 40 times and then they got perfect the solution for quick mga kalawang, no? Pangtanggal ng kalawang or mga seals, bolts and nuts. So, ito ang pinakamabisa na paraan para madaling tanggalin yung mga kalawang na mga tornilyo o mga screwdriver o whatever. Not only that, WD-40 is only good for cleaning as well, like headlamps. Isprayan nyo lang to, i-spray nyo lang ito sa headlamps, like leave for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then wipe it out, and then the headlamps will go clear itself. WD-40. So, ang kagandahan pa nito, hindi to siya patented guys, non-patent ito na product. Kaya hindi nila malaman kung anong nasa loob nito, kung anong sikretong na chemicals na nilagay nila dito, na minimix nila dito. Pagka nag-patent ka kasi ng mga product, ibig sabihin, i-explain sa loob, i-explain kung ano yung mga chemicals na nandito sa loob na nilalagay nila. Kaya, ang purpose, hindi nila pinatent ito na product to cover up or to not revealing the secrets of the chemicals that is inside here, WD-40. Like, there are so many penetrating oil out there in the market, obviously, but I am not trying to convince you to use this product because I am not get paid to use this product, but I recommend this product against seals, bolts and nuts, rusty objects or rusty materials, doors and everything. It works everything, almost everything. So, yan ang kagandahan nito guys, WD-40, water displacement. 40 stands for the number of experiment. They perfected the experiment and 40 times. So WD-40 the name. And again, it's not a patent kasi ang purpose nila para cover up na hindi malalaman yung anong sikreto dito. Hindi nila isi-share, no? Kung anong sikreto dito sa loob na chemicals na nilalagay nila. Subok na ito guys. Kung talagang napakatigas ng bolts and nuts o sobrang kalawang na talaga, i-spray nyo to overnight. I-overnight nyo. Soaking the bolts and nuts. Spray overnight. And then, you come up to the solution overnight. And then after, you have to remove and then it works. Really works. Kaso nga lang, medyo may kamahalan lang ito. But, take on my from experiment, really works. It's almost miracle thing in this WD-40. So whether or not you're a mechanic or not mechanic, home use is also good for home use also, this one. Not only for mechanical works or farm works, home works. Sa mga bisagra, mga door hinges, doorknob, lock doors, whatever. Do this. It's really good and really very effective. So may mga ano dito, may mga pictures dito. But pictures self-explanatory talaga. So yan guys, WD-40, you're the best against bolts, C's and nuts. Bolts, WD-40, quickest way. Spray and soak it about 5 minutes and then go back and then take it out the nut or bolts or whatever, and then it all works. WD-40 is the good solution to take out the stubborn bolt and nuts. Okay guys, thank you very much. This is the best partner on the mechanics. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye bye. Again, lahat ng mga product ng mga WD-40, wala kayong makikita na patent. This is not patent because they don't want, the makers, they don't want to discover, they don't want that others to discover about the chemicals inside. They put it in. So because when you are entering patent product, you have to explain what are the chemicals inside. But WD-40, no patent. Keep it secret. Thank you very much. Bye bye.